Hey guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and all of those things. Happy New Year. I thought today I'd show you all my daily driver. It's snowing out a little bit. Truck's semi-clean, so I thought it'd be a good day to do a little walk around and show you guys what I'm driving when I'm not piloting the summer car. Okay, so here it is. I'm going to try to keep this short because it's pretty cold out and I'm quite underdressed. So this is a 1993 Toyota Hilux Surf. To Japan and Europe, this is the 4Runner. So this I got when my Jeep was actually stolen. I had an XJ with a lift and a snorkel and all of that stuff. I needed something to replace it with, and I always wanted one of these or a Land Rover Discovery, believe it or not. So I decided to go with one of these. I did my research and it turned out that the 3-liter was the one to go with, the 3-liter turbo diesel. So it's a 1KZ. I think factory it made 130 horsepower. Now it probably makes 70 at best. It's only done 179,000 K or so since new. A few things, as any used vehicle. It's got a rip there I'd like to fix and stuff like that. $179 or so on it. Show you guys that diesel arrangement under hood. So this is an SSR V, I believe. So it's one of the higher trim specs with all the electric stuff. It's got a sunroof and all that fun stuff. Limited as well, I suppose. Whatever that means. But I mean, it's a nice truck. I like it, personally. It's quite, well, it wasn't really loved as much as it should have been, maybe. But that's all different now. It's all gonna change. It'll have a better life. Open this hood for you guys. So here it is. Dual batteries in the whole business. Don't judge me on this snuffleupagus arrangement. I've just ordered a factory airbox. The previous owner decided this was a good idea. That's not really what I'm about. But the other airbox that I ordered actually had to come from Australia. I couldn't find any in Canada or the US or even Europe. So that's that, really. 3 liters of fury. The wheels are probably your typical JDM 2-piece aluminum type deals. It's really all pretty standard. The only thing I really changed was CD player. It did have aluminum side steps on it and a big aluminum, I don't even know if it was aluminum, probably cheap steel brush guard that I took off. The plan with the vehicle probably is ultimately, I'd like to keep it a daily, so probably light overland, take it out and wheel it every once in a while if I want to. Camping type deal. So this is it. This is what I drive every day when I'm out driving the 1,000 horsepower Supra. I mean, if I'm honest, the Supra is not a summer car anyways. It's just a perfect weather car. So 99 days out of 100, this is what I'm driving. Thought I'd show you guys. And maybe we'll include some video on my Hilux in the future. maybe some off-road stuff or some maintenance, or when I change things, I'll bring you guys in on it as well. Guess maybe I should include a little startup for you guys. You can hear that diesel fury. Oh yeah. Power. Power. All about that. Alright, see you guys later. Gotta love winter in Canada.